Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, sandwiches, everyone loves a sandwich, don't they? Now I'm pretty sure I was asked to do this one quite a while ago. I've never got around to do it and it just popped in my head this morning. So I thought, well yeah, for a sandwich, let's do this. So what sandwich are we having? Well, we're having chicken Kiev sandwich, guys. That's what we're having. Now, I'm not making my own. I think, because I know a lot of people asked me to make my own. I made one before, but the audio was a load of rubbish. So I'm going to make my own on my next live stream. I think that's what I'm going to do. But I got these from Iceland, 3 for a tenner. I've never had these ones before, so I'm hoping you get loads of garlic butter in them. I don't know. I got some ciabatta rolls, and we're going to just put some like salads and that on it. That's all we're going to do, guys. So first things first, let's open these up and have a look. It's a 500 gram. You ain't going to see that. I'll take a screenshot and I'll put it on the screen for you now. 20 minutes in the air fryer, 180 degrees. So see how big they are. I got rolls, because I didn't know how big these were going to be, you see. Yeah, so they'll just fit in a roll perfect, they will. You know what I mean? So, you get 4 in the box, obviously. They look quite filling, actually, but I don't know how much is in there. You'll know if you've had them before. I'm going to have 2 of them. I'm going to do 2 rolls in case one, it leaks when you're cooking it. Because you know what they're like sometimes with these chicken Kievs. It can all leak, can't they? So, first things first then, I'll get my air fryer warmed up. So while my air fryer's warming up, we're going to toast my buns. So use whatever buns you want, I suppose. I got these because I thought they would probably taste nice with the old chicken Kiev. We're going to get some oil in our pan. I was thinking of doing a tuna melt, but I thought now I'll do that another day. I'm going to get some butter in there, melt the butter, and we'll toast the buns, guys. Do you need to really see you toasting the buns? Got to put a bit of butter in there because I want it nice and buttery. Right, let's get our good old chicken Kievs in. And we'll let them cook. Get your buns in. I've never done this. I don't know why I've never done this either. I know somebody asked me, I can't remember who it was. So I'm looking forward to trying it. That one's broke, look. I was going to change it, but I'm going to cut some in half anyway, so you get all the gooiness. So just I'm checking these. Not quite. Might put a little bit more butter in there, I think, if you want that buttery flavour in there. Oh yeah. Right guys, I am debating of what sauces to put on and what to fill it with. So I've got myself a couple of tomatoes. I got myself a beef tomato, which I've just sliced up. Red onion. I'm going to put some sandwich gherkins on there. I'm going to put one of my favourite sauces, which I found the other day, or last week, whenever it was, my kimchi. And we're going to have a bit of mayo. So we're going to have a bit of a mixture, guys. And I've got a bit of a salad as well, by the way. I've got this. Because Nat's going to have hers just on a salad. So I might just put a little bit of that on and all. So basically, we're just going to pile it up. So we'll get a bit of mayo. Tomatoes at the bottom. We'll put a little bit of salad on, guys, for the colour and all that stuff. A bit of the old rabbit food, eh? We'll put my kimchi sauce on the top. I got these from Tesco, if you've never seen. It's, well, I think it was like £2.70. Okay, guys, let's get them out. Now, I've had a look. There is a bit of leakage at the bottom of the old pan, but it should be done. We'll put it that way and we can go straight down the middle like that. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of a leakage there, look. That must have been the leaky one. We'll put that one that way. Like that. Yeah, they're looking nice. And we'll get a couple of gherkins on. Sandwich gherkins. Put them on there. Like that. We'll bring you down and we'll cut it open and we'll have a look. We'll do the good one. We go like that. Ooh, that's looking quite nice actually, guys. Where's my clean knife? There it is. Let's get, it's all foul. Let's go that way instead. There we go. Let's have a look. Oh yes, hey, that looking half look bad at all, does it, guys, that? To be fair to you. Right, let's get up the table. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see much, but it looks nice, doesn't it, guys? I haven't cut the other one yet, I've just left it there. Let me give you a closer look now. If we can get, if we can grab it. There it is. Chicken Kiev sandwich. Or cardboard bun, or you can even do paninis or whatever you wanted, couldn't you? Oh yeah, and let's have a go. It's gonna make a mess, isn't it? It's gonna make an absolute mess. Straight in. Get straight in it. Ugh. It's got a garlic flavour. Shame I lost a little bit of the juice. That all goes well together. Oh yeah. I like that kimchi sauce, man. So what do you reckon, guys? Something nice and simple there. You get 4 in a box, don't you, for $3.50, or 3 boxes for $10. I did buy the thingy ones as well. The ham and cheese. Ham and cheese? I think so. I reckon they might be a bit sick though. I don't think you could have them on a bun. You might be able to, I suppose. I don't know. So I think, for something nice and simple, no fuss, I've got my chicken. No fuss there. 4 in a box, a sandwich each, if there's 4 of you in the house. I don't think you can go wrong, guys. I really don't. Obviously put your own sauces on and your own salads and whatever you want on there, like, you know what I mean? I am going out tomorrow, so tune in for that one. Whoever recommended that, superb. I will be doing my own on a live stream. I could even do it as a cob, couldn't I? Make my own bread and that. We'll see. So all in all, guys, just a like, just a subscribe. Till the next time, that is bang on. See you later. Bye-bye. You come for some mucks.